So today I'm making a mural at the YouTube space in Brussels. The whole canvas is made out of 50 smaller panels, which I will be giving away at the end of the video to random strangers. And of course I saved some for you guys to win as well. Hey, this is my first ever indoor mural, so this might be a bit of a struggle, but let's do it. Hey, interviews, woohoo. You might know this guy, he's the head of business of YouTube, so he's basically the big boy of YouTube. So he was supposed to paint some stuff with me on this mural, but he ended up going to a meeting with the president of Europe, and after that he passed out in his hotel room, and then he kinda bailed on me. But first, Raid Shadow Legends. You've probably heard about it already, but it's for good reason. It's because it's one of the top 3 RPGs in the Google Play Store. The game is crazy popular with over 15 million downloads in the last 6 months. Now that's legendary. It's a turn-based game with over 400 champions for you to collect and personally customize. There's over 1 million champion builds, discover 13 spectacular locations, and enjoy a fully voice-acted campaign. And the best part is, it's free! Wow. Raid has just been nominated as a finalist for Google Play's Best of 2019 Users' Choice Award. And I'm legally required to show you this badge. Is that real? Wow, it's so shiny. That's shiny. Raid is adding more than 16 new champions every month, and you get tons of free champions and equipment just for learning to play. Once you complete the missions, you will get one of the best legendary champions in the game, the Arbiter. Woo! Woo! And now they added this huge roadmap showing huge updates planned for the game for over 6 months. So what are you waiting for? Go to the video description, click on the special links below, and if you're a new player, you will get 100,000 silver, 50 gems, 1 energy refill, and 1 free champion, the Executioner. All this treasure will be waiting for you right here, so good luck, on to the video. Just watch me. So yeah, the paint keeps dripping. It's because I'm using water-based paint, which is perfect for indoors since it is odorless and it's non-toxic, so you know, people won't faint when they pass by. But it's still water-based, so it's gonna drip like a motherfucker. Yeah. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. It's giveaway time, let's go.
Kies uw favoriet. No way. Okay. Dit is Wow. Okay. Next artwork. The next Keith Haring. I'm telling you. Next Keith Haring. It's the truth.
Ik doe jouw naam. Sick. Very sick.
Dankjewel. Meer talent in een vierkantje dan ik in mijn hele leven.
There's some more people coming in. So who's interested in some artwork?
Yes, you can pick your favorite.
Oh, really? Oh, it's gonna be in my studio. Play button for
All of them.
Oh, this is really cool. Oh, can I give you a hug? Thank you. Oh, I love it. Thank you.
Yeah? Everyone is... Wait. Let's grab a coffee.
Yes, okay. Oh, nice.
I think that's a pretty good choice.
Yeah.
Do you want to choose yourself or shall we do a little challenge where you spin around? Let's spin you around.
So what you want?
Yeah, let's spin you around. Close your eyes. Which one?
I'm right-handed, so I'm Thank you.
Easy.
For the rest, you can just pick and
It's
Everyone say Vexx to 10 million.
Dankjewel.
So I quickly swooped 3 art panels for you guys to win, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel with the bell and follow me on Instagram. I will be announcing the winners on there. And I have another surprise for you guys. If you missed out on collection 3, we're doing the final restock, so after this it's gone forever. So if you want it, you can grab some. Thanks for all the support lately. I love you guys, and peace.